Is your Hyundai Ioniq's 2017-2020 key fob not working? The most likely cause is a dead CR2032 battery. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Carefully pry open the key fob casing, taking care not to crack the plastic. The case is held together by clips or a seam. Once open, you'll see the battery secured by a metal clip. Remove the clip, take out the old battery, and insert the new CR2032 with the positive plus side facing up. Reassemble the key fob, ensuring the case snaps back together securely. This process should take 5 to 10 minutes. Now, test the fob to see if it's working. If the remote still isn't working after a battery replacement, you might need to reprogram it. Try cycling the ignition key multiple times on and off in quick succession. Also, be aware that the plastic casing can weaken over time, leading to durability issues. Signal interference from other electronic devices could be the problem. While this DIY fix addresses most cases, consider that newer Hyundai models post-2020 are shifting towards digital keys accessible via smartphones, eliminating the need for physical fobs and batteries altogether. The automotive industry is trending towards NFC and UWB-based access systems, potentially making physical key fobs obsolete in the future. For now, regular battery replacements are essential for older Ioniq models, but keep an eye on the increasing availability of smart adapters or potential upgrades as older fobs phase out.